In this video you will learn more about the hovering sidebar. The hovering sidebar is an add-on. So if we go to add-ons, we search for it under the add-on section, we find it, we click on it, we click on the activate button, we wait for the confirmation, and then go to the content section and look for the Kwikwap hovering sidebar link in the content section. With the hovering sidebar, there's a few options that we've got. First of all, you can create a default sidebar, either Facebook or Twitter. You can create a default one, which is the contact us, or that will link to your contact us page, or you can actually create a link to any page on your website, or a link to anywhere or any URL. For the sake of this video, I'm going to show you the Facebook or how to create a hovering sidebar using Facebook. Now if we click on the second option, create a default Facebook or Twitter tab, you get an option to either choose Facebook or Twitter. The difference between the default tabs and the one that you create from scratch, the default one will actually give you a current image. It will give you a Facebook image or a Facebook thumbnail that will be linked to your sidebar. If you create a tab from scratch, you will have to give it an image by browsing your computer, and that image will then be linked to the sidebar. But as I said, for this one, we're going to look at Facebook. It gives us the image. We give it a description, which is Facebook. We link it to the Facebook page of your business. I'm just going to use the Kwikweb Facebook page. If we click on upload, it tells us that the tab has been added successfully. If we publish the website and we view the website, we will then see the hovering sidebar on the right hand side. If we click on it, it will take us to the link that we added. So basically, if we go back to the hovering sidebar functionality, we have a few options. As I said, if you want to create a tab from scratch, you can do that by giving it your own picture. As I said, you can add or link to your contact us page as well. You can update or delete an existing tab, as is the case with the majority of the modules that we've got in Kwikwap, is the fact that you are allowed to update whatever it is that you've added. Then this specific functionality or the specific add-on allows you to change the look of the tab as well, or the hovering sidebar. Now currently everything is black, but what we can do is we can change the background color. So what we would do is we would choose whatever color it is we want. Again, if we hover over the different colors, you will see in the preview window exactly what it will change to. So if we make that white, if we go to the text color, if we make the text color white as well, if you look at the background color, you'll see exactly where the background color is. So if we make that blue to fit in with the Facebook thing, if we look at the link background hover color, now again you'll see if we go over it, the link background actually doesn't change, but if we hover over it, that's actually the color that we will be changing. So if we change that to yellow, for example, and we go to that, then that is the actual color that changes under the link background hover color. You have two other options. You can position the sidebar on the screen, either on the right hand side as I have on the website currently, or on the left hand side. And you can decide if you want to activate the static sidebar. As it says there, what the setting does is it disables the slide effect. So if you disable it, then the button remains static when you click on it, but if you enable it, then you get a slide effect where the button actually pops out. Then the last option that you have is you can change the order. So if you have more than one sidebar or hovering sidebar, you can actually change the order in which they are shown on your website.